How can yarn be brought to life? How can it be woven into human life? Enter Concord Global Trading, the global leader in machine-made area rugs and carpets. With facilities spanning continents, we stand tall, one of the top importers in the United States. Our commitment to growth fuels innovation. Our facilities are a testament to tradition and innovation, boasting the world's most advanced electronic weaving looms. At Concord Global Trading, we cater to every taste and need. From our office and showroom in the iconic Empire State Building to our distribution hubs in North Carolina and Georgia, we are at the heart of the industry. Discover our collections that are stylish, durable, and functional. Elevate your space with Concord Global Trading, where style meets durability and functionality meets flair.